Or towards the middle back. Oh, that was a little one though. Back end of that bridge. That wasn't. Good afternoon. Welcome back to another one. Canal fishing today. Just walking up and down the canal, throwing crankbait, looking for popping bass. Been here for half hour, 45 minutes. Walking back to get my other rod now. Haven't had a chance to do an introduction. They're on fire and they're popping. You're going to see lots of action. So stay with me and let's enjoy this fishing. Fish on. There we go. There's the way to start the day. No. Fish. Yeah, they're stacked up in here. Oh, I spit it. They're stacked in here. Throw there and see what happens. Oh, I missed him. Got him. That's a beautiful smallmouth. And of course I forgot my pliers. Got him. Got him. Look at them, all the fish behind them. I'm gonna take. I haven't had a good smallmouth meal in forever. These are all like 11 inches. Oh, that's a good one. That's the one we're waiting for. Oh yeah. Big fish. Guys, this is just the canal. Erie Canal. I'm not doing anything special. You just got to understand the canal and how to fish it. That's all. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh, there's an even bigger one with him. Look at the minnows he's spitting up. Holy crap. Look at this fish. Oh, there's some even bigger ones with them. I don't know if I'm gonna land them. Yeah. It's a 14, 15 inch fish. Yep, that's another one. Oh, that's another big one too. Oh, look at them all with them. They are stacked up right here. This is an eater. There's my 13-inch eater right here. That's another good one. There's 4 or 5 more with them, just as big. Thanks for fitting up. Damn it. Let's get all this line, take care of this line, not leave it here like everybody else does. As you can see, all this shit that people leave here. Okay, smallies are back. not think he was going to be that nice. Oh yeah, they're all back popping. Huh. Okay, popper. They're done with this. We gotta get to a popper. Oh no, inline spinner. Big one. Oh yeah, look at that smallie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are insane fishing. Insane fishing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I missed him. Oh, why did I miss him? This is just crazy. You're getting these little pops where they're busting like this. When you get them, they're just massive explosions, as you're seeing. I told Austin, so Austin, when you're watching this, don't say you didn't know, bruh. Got him. It's all smallmouths except that one largemouth. Look at right there, all over. Got him. Oh, I hope you all can see that. Got him that time. Oh, this is insane. crazy. This is a big fish here. Big old largie. There's 100 more fish right behind them. Look how fat that thing is. Just gorging. Camera was off. I think I got it on the big camera. On here. The big ones aren't ready yet. Oh, I lied. Oh, that's a giant. Oh, he's not that big. Still a really good one though. Camera was off. I think I got it on the big camera. They're more towards the middle back. Oh, that was a little one though. Back end of that bridge. That wasn't. This is insane. Literally the canal people. Suburban fishing. Literally right on the edge of the city. Crystal clear water. Bass everywhere. I don't know if you can see them all, but oh, he let go. Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah. It's been a few years for me. Walter head. Wonder if you're 18 inches, bub. Oh, you are. You're lucky I'm generous. There you go. Probably 18-inch walleye. 19. All right, goodbye. Nope, there he goes. There's another one. Another walleye. What the hell? Man, they're keepers too. You're lucky. You're real lucky. Just like that. Best day of suburban fishing I've had in 25, 30 years. Woo! That's a hot one. Just like that, it's over. Unbelievable day. I don't know, 20, 30 bass, smallmouth, largemouth, lots of nice fish. Probably 17, 18 was my biggest inches. It was my biggest. Lots and lots of topwater, like you saw. I haven't had a day like that in 25 years. We used to fish down here all the time as kids, but ended it with 2 walleyes back to back. Great day. So thank you for joining me, and thank each and every one of you. I appreciate you. We're up to 1,500 subs. Let's keep it going. Let's grow with it. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you.